Can you split columns in just one click? Transform your data from this to this. How would you handle it? Complex formulas, messy VBA code, or spending ages prompting ChatGPT? There's a faster way, and it only takes one click. Let's dive in. Open your workbook and head over to the Excel Click tab. Don't see it yet? Download it for free at www.excelclick.com. To open text to columns, go to the Excel Click tab, find the Organize group, then click Split Text to Columns. The panel walks you through two steps. 1. Select Range. Click Select Range and highlight the cells containing the text you want to split. New columns will be inserted to the right of your selection. 2. Delimiter. Choose the character that separates the values in your cells. Comma. Splits on every comma. For example, John Smith becomes 2 cells. Semicolon. Splits on every semicolon. Common in European CSV exports. Space. Splits on every space character. Other. Enter any custom character in the input field to use as the delimiter. An example panel on the right shows a live preview of how the split will look before you run it. Click Split Now to apply, or Cancel to exit without changes. A marketing manager splitting a full name column into first and last name. A marketing manager received a contact list where first and last names were combined in a single Excel column. John Smith, Maria Garcia. Her email platform required 2 separate fields. Splitting 1,500 names manually was not an option, and Excel's built-in text functions required formula knowledge she didn't have. Text to columns with space as the delimiter split every name into 2 columns in one click. The file was import ready for the email platform immediately. A freelance data analyst splitting European CSV exports into usable columns. A freelance data analyst received sales data exported from a European accounting system. Instead of commas, the file used semicolons as separators, and everything landed in a single column. Excel's native import hadn't handled it correctly, leaving the data unusable. Text to columns with semicolon as the delimiter restructured the entire dataset into proper columns instantly. The analyst had clean, analyzable data without having to re-import or reformat anything manually. A small business owner splitting product tags into individual columns. A small business owner exported her product catalog from an e-commerce platform. The tags column contained values like clothing, women, sale all in one cell. For reporting purposes, she needed each tag in its own column to filter and count by category. Text to columns with comma as the delimiter split the tags from every product row into separate columns in seconds. The structured data made filtering and pivot analysis straightforward. An HR manager separating combined department and location codes. An HR manager had a staff code column formatted as HR London, FIAN Paris, OPS Berlin, department and location combined with a hyphen. She needed them in separate columns for headcount reporting by department and by region. But there was no formula she felt confident writing across 400 rows. Text to columns with other set to the hyphen character split every code cleanly into department and location columns. The pivot reports were built from the clean data the same afternoon. A content team splitting a keyword list with pipe-separated variants. A content team had a keyword research spreadsheet where multiple keyword variants had been combined in one cell using a pipe character. Buy shoes online, vertical bar, affordable shoes, vertical bar, best shoe deals. Each variant needed its own row or column for content planning purposes. Text to columns with other set to the pipe character split every cell into individual keyword columns in one pass. The structured list was ready for content mapping immediately.